What's up, everybody? It's G. And today I want to bring to you something special. It's the Silhouette Cameo Plus. Now, not too long ago, Silhouette came out with the Cameo 4. And now they came out with this, the Cameo Plus. It cuts 15 inches wide. So we want to get into this and find out what it can do. I heard that it has all of the same features as the Cameo 4. It just has like a wider cutting area and there's a couple of other features that they added. So let's get into this unboxing and see what it really can do. Okay, as soon as you open up the box, this is what you see. The design store. So now also we get in here and it tells you how to set up your stuff in silhouetteamerica.com. These are different kinds of blades. It says blade adapter, deep cut blade adapter, 2mm craft blade adapter, and the pin adapter. Now, okay, so first thing I see here is it looks like a cutting board, and it's big. It's definitely bigger than any cutting board that I had. This looks like a piece of paper to protect your adhesive. That's on the mat. Here it is. There's your mat. Nice big mat. Look how big it is. I put it here so you can see how big it is when you want to do a shirt. Okay, this is the side I want you guys to see. From here, it's like, this is the 1 inch mark. This is where you start, where the paper starts. But there's excess lines right here and right here that you can go all the way wider, because over here it got from 1 to 14 basically. So this is supposed to be a 15-inch cutting mat. The true cutting area of this mat, if you ask me, from my calculations, is that's a quarter, is 14.5 cutting. 14.5, 14.6, something like that. I wouldn't go nothing over 14.3, 14.4. Keep it safe. In my mind, that's already what I'm thinking. I know that's gonna be my limit. Okay, now this, I don't know what this is. Let's see. It looks like wiring and stuff like that. Okay, so in these packages, you have your power supply, it looks like, for your Cameo 4. And I'm not gonna open that yet. We're gonna open it as soon as we get the Cameo out, because I don't wanna take too long to get this Cameo out. If I had to guess, this is about 10 pounds. Okay, so now we got this bad boy out the box. Like I said, it's not too heavy. Don't quote me on the weight that I said it was. I don't know for sure what the weight is. I'm gonna check in the technical specs, and when I come back and do my final review, there will be all of the information you do need. This right here looks like a nice piece of machinery. Yes, yes, yes. Nice piece of machinery. We'll plug it up. Plain and simple. Easy, breezy. But you don't want to plug it in yet, because we still got all this tape on it, right? And the tape is put there for when you're shipping, none of the pieces get damaged. It kind of holds the pieces in place. This is your blade. These are just holders. I thought they gave us 5 blades. They're holders. And the different colors indicate what blades they hold and what they're for. Fine. Let's start removing this tape. Let me come over here. Remove this. Okay, so what I want to show you guys is this. Like, look, if you look over here, the blade things are numbered. You got a 1 and 2, right? And then you got this right here, which is like a switch. I don't know what it's for yet. And you got your rollers, right?
Now, one thing I noticed over here is this roller on the right side has like a lock on it. See it? Okay, so you push it and then you can move it. See that? But do y'all see those little indentations on the metal rod? That's where those things can lock in. So it's perforated for that to either lock on this next thing or this next thing. But I'm gonna push it back to where it was. And once it gets to the place, the push-in releases and it snaps in place. Just to let you guys know that in case you wanted to do a smaller cut and you wanted that roller over there. Okay. Okay, so I'll just plug it in. Okay, so now since we got it pre-plugged in halfway, we're just going to take this other part and plug it right on in here of the Cameo if it's facing towards you. And that's also the USB, and that's the power button. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing video. Download the software and do our first cut. And then after that, we're going to give a good review on it and compare it to a couple of the other cutters out there. So if you're interested in stuff like that, hit that like button, get subscribed up. I really appreciate you guys watching. Peace.